Google Ads seems complicated, but today I show you the simplest way to understand it, even if you're a total beginner. In the next few minutes, you will finally understand what Google Ads really is.
Hi, I'm Jasmin and I help beginners learn Google Ads in a simple and practical way. If you want easy explanations without complicated terms, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
So, what exactly is Google Ads? Google Ads is the online advertising platform from Google. It was originally launched as Google AdWords in October 2000. With Google Ads, you can show your business to potential customers at the exact moment they're searching for something relevant. So in easy terms, you pay to be seen when people are actively looking for what you offer or what you sell. How does Google Ads work? So in Google Ads you have different campaign types to choose from. The main campaign types are search campaign, video campaign, and display campaign. Search campaign are the text ads in the Google search results. Video campaign are short video ads in YouTube or on other video partner sites. As well, you can choose a display ad, which is the banner style ads on websites across the internet. But the search campaign is the most common campaign. For beginners, I always recommend start with a search campaign. So if you are a beginner, please do me a favor and start with a normal search campaign. To make it a little bit more clear how Google Ads works, I want to give you a little example here. So imagine you are a gym in Melbourne and you're offering personal trainer service. You create a search campaign in Google Ads and you choose keywords related to your products or services. For example, those keywords can be personal trainer Melbourne or fitness coach Melbourne. You include these keywords in your campaign. On the other side, someone types in personal trainer Melbourne. What happens then? That Google shows them your ads, because actually you bid on the keywords the user was typing into the Google search. You get targeted traffic because the user's search intention is matching your keywords. And you pay only when they click. It's called PPC, pay-per-click system. You don't pay once your ad appears, you really only pay when someone is clicking on your ad. So that makes Google Ads to like a very cost-effective way to gain visibility and customers. So that's why it's perfect for beginners. So now I want to show you how it would look like in the Google search results. So we're typing in personal trainer Melbourne, yes. And now here you see. So on top of the page are the sponsored results. So if you would be that gym right now, your ad would be shown here. So this is all the sponsored results, this as well. And once you click down, like you scroll down, you see the businesses, and down here you see the organic search, like everything which has been done by organic reach, by search engine optimization. How to run a profitable campaign? Actually, there are many factors to run a profitable campaign, but these factors are the main ones. You should have the right keywords. You should do a keyword research, and your keywords should not be too broad, but not be too niche either. Your ads must be clear. They must be simple, relevant, and they should match the search. As well, your landing page should be optimized. It should be highly relevant to the ad, should be fast and mobile friendly. If these three elements match, Google rewards you with lower cost per click, higher ad positions, and actually better search results. To summarize that, why you should use Google Ads? Because Google is the biggest search engine in the world. 80% of the customers research online before they buy, and Google Ads makes you visible the exact moment someone is actively searching for your offer. If this video helped you to understand Google Ads in a simple and easy way, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials.